We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning in British English. It is said as America. You do want to stress on the second syllable, America. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as America, America in American English versus America in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.